This is a gyoza production factory in Busan. They sell more than 400,000 bags of gyoza per year on the basis of hygienically strict production. Before entering the production plant, workers are disinfected and sterilized all over their bodies. To prepare the dumplings, the workers first clean the onions, and then seal them with plastic wrap. These are the cabbages used as the filling for the dumplings, which are also cleaned once. Next, the onions are prepared and quickly chopped by this machine, which greatly improves efficiency. On the other side, the workers are cooking the vermicelli, which is then cut into small pieces by this machine. With the machine working quickly, the vermicelli are already about 1 centimeter long, and they will be wrapped into dumplings as a filling. The contents are pureed chicken and pork, then soy sauce and minced garlic. The worker pours them into this large mixer, with 2 large wheels that mix them well. The next thing that was poured in was the powdered seasoning, and then the chopped leeks were poured in with this. This basket contains the chopped green onions, and the last one contains the chopped onions and cabbage. Now that the dumpling filling is ready, we can move on to the next stage of production. The worker pours the flour into a huge mixing machine, followed by a proportional pouring of tap water. This process is designed to make the dumpling skin, and the flour passes through the machine to the next stage, where it is squeezed and milled into an even thickness of dough, which is finally rolled together at the end. One roll can wrap more than 2,000 dumplings. The worker puts the dumpling filling into the entrance of the machine, and the freshly made dough on the other side, and the machine automatically cuts a round dumpling sheet. The extruder at this end then injects the filling into the dumpling skin, and each dumpling has almost the same amount of filling, and at the end you can see the dumpling has been formed, about 3 dumplings per second. Because of the optimized design of the machine, these gyoza do not overlap and stick together. They will enter the steamer with the conveyor belt, the gyoza will come out through this steamer, and then be ready to eat. The steamed gyoza will be quickly frozen. This process is to make bagging more convenient. With the continuous advancement of the conveyor belt, these dumplings here to complete the bagging. Finally pass through this metal detector, so that a bag of dumplings about 2 pounds of weight, the price is $7 US.